Hello, students. Let us learn today how to read words ending in AME. Let us also learn how to read sight words and some sentences. A, M, E. Together, you read it as AIM. Let's read again. AIM. Let's have letter C. The sound of C is K. Let's add AIM. Together, you read it as came. Let's read again. Came. Let's have letter F. The sound of F is F. F. Then let's put aim. Together, you read it as fame. Let's read again. Fame. Let's have letter G. The sound of G is G. Let's add aim. Together, we read it as game. Let's read again. Game. Next, let's have L. The sound of L is L. Let's add aim. Together, you read it as lame. Let's read again. Lame. Next letter is N. The sound of N is N. Let's add aim. Together, you read it as name. Let's read again. Name. We have letter S. The sound of S is S. Let's add aim. Together, you read it as same. Let's read again. Same. We have letter T. The sound of T is T, T. Let's add aim. Together, you read it as tame. Let's read again. Tame. Next, let's read sight words. Home. Let's read again. Home. Next word is early. Let's read again. Early. Yesterday. Let's read again. Yesterday. Next, winning. Let's read again. Winning. Next word is brought. Let's read again. Brought. Next word is him. Let's read again. Him. Next word is duck. Duck. They. They. Look. Look. Easy. Easy. Dog. Dog. Now let's read sentences. Dad came home early yesterday. Let's read again. Dad came home early yesterday. Winning the game brought him fame. Winning the game brought him fame. The duck is lame. Let's read again. The duck is lame. My name is Jessa. My name is Jessa. They look the same. They look the same. It is easy to tame a dog. Let's read again. It is easy to tame a dog. Thank you for watching. See you on my next tutorials.